अपनों से बिछड़ने का गम और कोई क्या जाने।
Welcome to Savvy Reviews, and we are back with another video. This is AK. Joining with me is
AFP.
yeah. So today we are going to review this movie called Khuda Hafiz, in which
Yeah.
Vidyut Jamal is starring along with Shivalika Oberoi
Yeah. And this was launched yesterday, that is 14th of August on Disney
on Disney
Hotstar
Plus Hotstar Multiplex.
Multiplex. Yeah. So it is directed by Farooq Kabir, and the screenplay has been done by Farooq Kabir himself and Zair Abbas Qureshi.
Yeah.
And yeah, and the production company, we should not forget that Panorama Studios once again for giving us such a great movie experience.
So this movie takes place around this 2008 period, and the movie revolves around two characters, that is Samir and Nagris. Both are married couples, newly married couples, and due to this recession period and all, they both of them lose their jobs and they are forced to move to outside countries in search of job. Both of them apply for a job application in another country. His wife gets the placement first and she has to go to Sultanate of Oman alone. Samir is concerned about her safety, but later she convinces and she goes alone. But later she gives a call to him when she reaches there, informing him that she is in trouble. Later in this movie, we get to know that she gets trapped in this human trafficking.
So about actors, I have no doubt upon the acting because they perform the acting in such a well performed and on the line acting by both the actors. What do you have
Moreover,
to
we
say?
should mention about the facial expression of the characters.
Yeah,
Vidyut
that
Jamal,
is
he just
yeah.
gave us maximum output in the film. About the music and all, music was great, but somewhat sometimes it just feels, disconnected
Copyright
from the
and
content. I think it is worth mentioning how Vidyut Jamal acted. Felt like as if I am in the movie. This film just makes you feel like you are a part of this movie and as if you are a character in this movie.
yeah.
So that is one plus point of this movie. Minus point of this movie is that, as we told, like the music in some areas where it made me feel disconnected to the story,
Yeah.
but it was okay. Overall performance was okay, the overall music and everything was okay.
Actually, I am too convinced with your wordings and all. Hopefully, we may suggest the people to also watch this one. But I may say that there is a grudge violence in this actually.
Yeah.
And moreover, I won't suggest it to people who are scared of violence and all. If you can take that grudge violence
Yeah,
and
some people find it uncomfortable. So
yeah,
if you are comfortable, then we would definitely suggest you. The action scenes were so lit, and it is worth mentioning over here. And one of the action scenes while he is trying to rescue his wife, and the
in the
stunts and
Oman,
everything was just too lit, and the
yeah,
parkour. Overall, it was like a movie worth watching.
yeah, that is true. I won't give any spoilers, but there is a guy in the movie. He helped the Samir to get back to his wife, and we can see at some instances that even he had risked his life for Samir. And yeah, that was a scene where I felt that
Yeah,
the movie actually highlights on the first main important thing. It is that no matter whatever you think or whatever you are, whatever religion or whatever caste you belong from, the
yeah.
important thing is that you help humanity. The term humanity should be there present in you. Just that helping nature should be there. That is the only thing that proves that you are still a human being. I like the helping nature actually of the man.
Yeah.
And yeah, actually that man Murad, he was actually married guy, but
Hmm.
he helped them.
There should
Yeah.
be at least some amount of humanity in everyone. The humanity to help others. That is one of the moral we got from the movie, and I would suggest this movie to one who likes action and thriller movies. So we would rate it a stunning 4 out of 5.
Yeah.
So I would like to say the first star is for the acting skills of these actors. Second star is for the storyline. Storyline was great. And third star is for the overall view and presentation of this movie. And fourth one is for the stunts.
Yeah. And moreover, I feel that this movie is particularly a well structured movie actually. We haven't reviewed this Bagi 3 because we were busy at that time. But Bagi 3, as we have known, it is same as this Khuda Hafiz only. But over there, I felt that stunts were too much and somewhat too unimaginable.
Yeah.
But this one, actually, it is a really good one, and the stunts look real also.
Hmm.
Moreover, yeah, so that is the thing which I felt that was present in Khuda Hafiz.
By the way, I forgot to mention one thing. Like when I saw this movie, I just
Yeah.
came to think of this book which I read in my 10th grade.
Okay.
And this movie is called Aad Jeevitham. You might not have heard it because it is a Malayalam book, and
Yeah.
it is a novel written by Benjamin. And this also, it is around revolves around this similar type of background.
Okay.
But in this story, instead of a female, it is a male who is portrayed, and it is about his story. He goes to Gulf country and he gets in some, problems, and he gets ill treated over there and such stuff. It made me remember of this book.
Yeah.
If you guys are interested, read it.
It is a worth mentioning fact for the novel readers actually.
Yeah.
So people may get interested.
So if you like this video, just press the like button. Also, press the subscribe button and the bell icon.
Yeah.
So
And guys, I guess in the comment section below, you go down in the comment section below and just tell me what are the few things you like and you dislike about the Gulf
about
countries.
this movie and the
Yeah,
Gulf
and
countries.
about the so whatever you feel, just let us know in the comment section below. You may also get some replies from our side because we have some experience.
Before going, I just want to say, what is the best thing about Gulf countries?
What is it, Akis? Can you tell me?
All of us know that it is shawarma.
Oh my god, that is super. You are making my mouth go watery.
You won't get any like best shawarmas from any other countries.
Yeah,
Come to Gulf countries, you can get the best shawarma.
yeah.
That
That's
is
speciality of the Gulf countries actually.
yeah.
So anything else you guys have to say, just let us know in the comment section below. So
Yeah.
we may also help you or we may suggest you some more things, exciting things.
So give your views and opinions in the comment section. That's up, and the signing off, AKS.
Peace, DMP.